Hello, let me show you how we can set up Redmi Buds 6 with mobile application on Android phone. And it actually looks the same on iPhone. So you will have to start by opening Google Play Store or App Store on your Android or iOS, and then search for Xiaomi Earbuds application. Then you will have to just open this application and click to read and agree to this user agreement. Click agree again. Right here you will have to tap and select your region. Click next, click skip, and now accept this permission. So all you have to do right now is just to enter for pairing mode on your device. So you have to close this case, then you will have to open it, and right here, as you can see, there's a small button which is almost not visible right here, but you have to just click and hold this button and wait until this indicator starts blinking. Now you will have to release this button, put it back and close to your phone. On your smartphone, you will have to turn on Bluetooth and click to pair new device. Then select Redmi Buds 6. You will have to wait for pop-up pairing request, accept pairing, and now click to add earphones. Accept this permission, accept another one, and in most cases we will be connected after a few moments. But if it is not working, you can simply try to select Redmi Buds 6, click that you got it, and then tap on them. And as you can see, okay, it's not working right now, even when we got this. Okay, never mind. As you can see right now, we are connected when we just go back from this screen. If it is still not working, then you can try to close this application and open it one more time. And once you actually connect by using Bluetooth settings, you should be connected.